We have little over a month before we first see the Pixel 8 series in person, since the next Built by Google event is on October 4th at 10 a.m. Additionally, the Google Store website revealed the Pixel 8 Pro and Pixel Watch 2. The rear-facing camera system, which houses three mysterious sensors confined in one large pill-shaped space rather than being split into side-to-side modules, is the first key detail that makes us 100% certain that we're looking at a Pixel 8 Pro in this promotional image. In addition to the triple shooter system, there are two additional sensors instead of one, and the component at the top probably functions as a traditional LED flash. In an effort to differentiate itself from today's Android flagship pack, Google should handle body temperature data with the little round object at the bottom. The Google Pixel 8 Pro leaks that have surfaced so far have all described the major hardware enhancements that would be included in this year's range. The Pixel 7 series from last year had very minor camera enhancements, but it seems that won't be the case this year. In order to improve imaging capabilities, the business is expected to employ a larger and more modern 50-megapixel Samsung GN2 sensor and move to a 64-megapixel ultra-wide shooter on the Pixel 8 Pro. Although Google intends to introduce a new camera UI on its 2023 Pixels, a recent leak provides a good glimpse at the updated interface, so the upgrades won't be restricted to only the hardware. A 6.7-inch QHD plus LTPO OLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate will be included in the Pixel 8 Pro. The device will be driven by the Google Tensor G3 SoC and will have a Titan security chip in Tau. There may be two variants, each with 12GB of RAM. The more expensive variant will probably feature 256GB of storage, but the basic model is set to have merely 128GB. A 50-megapixel primary camera with OIS, a 64-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 48-megapixel telephoto shooter are reportedly among the imaging choices on the Pixel 8 Pro. The device is anticipated to contain an 11-megapixel picture sensor on the front for selfies and video chats. The device is set to run Android 14 out of the box and feature a 4,950 mAh battery with support for 27-watt wired charging. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.